You need to watch this if you're excited about the future of AI. Dell, Nvidia, and Elon Musk are cooking up something big. Dell Technologies shares just spiked after CEO Michael Dell announced a groundbreaking partnership with Nvidia. They're building a Dell AI factory to power Elon Musk's xAI startup. What does this mean? Faster, smarter AI development using Dell's xAI 9680 servers and Nvidia's cutting-edge GPUs. Musk, who launched xAI to rival OpenAI's ChatGPT, has Supermicro also joining the party to provide additional server power. With these tech giants joining forces, the AI industry is set for a massive leap. Supermicro is ramping up their server game with new facilities in Silicon Valley, while Dell's AI-focused servers saw a revenue boost of over 100% last quarter. This collaboration could lead to a $3 billion deal with Nvidia's powerful H100 GPUs at the core. Exciting times ahead for tech enthusiasts. Stay tuned as Dell, Nvidia, and Musk drive the next AI revolution.